Hey ladies, have you seen this trend? The Criss Cross Braided Ponytail? I'm emeraldthecreativegem and I'm going to show you how to do this. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create this look too. For this tutorial, I'm doing a short intro and then jumping right into the hairstyle. My self-care routine video featured my hair care routine, and it also hinted at my next hair tutorial, which is the one you're looking at right now. Link is in the bio so you can watch that one after this one. So without further ado, let's get creative. Hey sis, I don't mean to interrupt, but please make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the video. Hey girl, hi, I am back. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it so far. This part of the video, I'm basically putting my hair in a bun, getting it ready to attach my box braid or braided ponytail. It is not a drawstring ponytail, but I can attach it to my ponytail. Unfortunately, I did not film this part. Totally forgot to film this part, but I am going to show you the ponytail I bought. It's pretty easy to attach it. You just wrap it around your own ponytail and you use the clips to secure it. And then you take that little piece right there, wrap it around to secure it. And there you go. You have your own braided ponytail. To spice up this ponytail even more, I added hair jewelry as well. All right, EmGems, here's the final reveal.